Welcome to apartment 605 at 515 Clarkson. Now this is our A1 floor plan. 685 square feet on the west side here, so you actually get a ton of great natural light throughout the day. On the right hand side here, you have our kitchen, which is equipped with all brand new updated appliances and 25 cabinets and drawers. So tons of cabinetry to work with here. As you walk through, we have a farm style sink, and it opens up into the living room, which is obviously always great if you're ever entertaining guests. You do have a bit of a bar top as it comes off the edge there. As we pass left from the kitchen, you have this entryway closet here. Now this guy is probably about 5.5 feet, give or take, wide, about 2.5 feet deep all in all. Definitely good additional storage to have for you. Passing forward into our living room area. Just a really great open space to work with. Great open floor plan. So you do have a lot of versatility in the way that you can design your apartment. Coming out onto our monster size balconies. These guys are huge. We are on the west side here, so you do get a pretty good deal of natural light, even though it's a little foggy today. And you can't quite see the mountains, but normally on blue skies days, you get to see a pretty great view from there. And then up north, you also get to see the downtown area as well. So, and then again, just really awesome balcony space to work with here. And then moving along through our living room area here. Bathroom area straight ahead. So you get this tall kind of linen closet pantry with the dual sinks here, which is pretty awesome to work with. And then you actually have these hideaway medicine cabinets here. Bathroom is separated from the bedroom, which is great because obviously if you're ever entertaining guests, you don't want them to have to go through your bedroom. And the bedroom space is quite stout. This would hold any size mattress you'd be bringing with you on the move. You actually have head to toe windows, which is great. And then just a ton of closet space to work with. So again, this is number 605 at 515 Clarkson.